Today start new point IUPAC nomenclature of ether. IUPAC nomenclature of ether. Look here, all of you. ROR. Look here. According to IUPAC nomenclature, alkoxy derivatives of alkane. Alkoxy derivatives of alkane in which a hydrogen atom of alkane is replaced by alkoxy group. This is also called as ether. Look here, ROR. In simple ether, IUPAC name of the compound. In simple ether, IUPAC name of the compound alkoxy alkane. Simple alkoxy alkane. Look here, in mixed ether. In mixed ether, a larger group as considered as a derivative of alkane, derivatives of parent alkane. Repeat. Look here, in this compound, a larger alkyl group as considered as derivatives of parent alkanes and smaller alkyl group as considered as a alkoxy derivatives. Smaller alkyl group alkoxy, larger group larger alkane. In IUPAC name of this compound alkoxy alkane. Look here, simple. Look here, first CS3, next OCS3. Name of the compound, IUPAC name of this compound, both alkyl group are same. One is converted into alkoxy and another is converted into derivatives of parent alkane. Means name of the compound methoxy. Look here, simple. Methoxymethane. Okay, this is the simple ether. Both alkyl group are same. Look here, second simple example is C2H5O C2H5. Same everybody here. Ethyl. One ethyl convert into ethoxy. Ethoxyethane. Look here, ethoxyethane. Correct? Yes. Look here, next compound is CH3O C2H5. Okay, interesting example. Why? Both alkyl group are different. Look here, according to IUPAC, a smaller alkyl, look here, to identify the smaller alkyl group here, methyl is a smaller alkyl group, ethyl is a larger alkyl group, smaller alkyl group convert into a alkoxy and larger alkyl group convert into alkane. Name of the compound here, methoxy. Smaller, methoxyethane. All of you? Simple IUPAC nomenclature, simple concept. Okay, look here, next example here, CH3O CH2 CH3. Look here, 3 carbon atom or more than 3 carbon atom. By applying a number. Okay, number here. Look here, start the number from the oxygen atom here. 1, 2 and 3. Look here, larger alkyl group number here 1. Correct? Yes. One number is a derivatives of parent alkane. Smaller alkyl group methoxy. 1 methoxy, derivative of parent alkane propane. Correct? Yes. Look here, next example here, CH3O CH3, next CH3. Look here, numbering here, simple. 1, 2 and 3. Look here, first the larger alkane, numbering here, attachment of oxygen 2. Correct? Yes. 2 methoxy. Simple. 2-methoxypropane. 2-methoxypropane. Correct? Yes. It's simple. Look here, next compound here. Next compound. Look here, CH3, oxygen, CH2, 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 1, 2, 3, 4. Okay? Yes. Okay, start the numbering here. 1, 2, 3, and 4. Larger alkyl group here, everybody here, numbering 1-methoxy. 1-methoxybutane. 1-methoxybutane. Correct? Yes. Look here, make the structure CH3, O, CH2, CH, CH3, next CH3. Start the number here 1, 2, and 3. Look here, first attachment of the oxygen 1. Smaller alkyl group methoxy. Methoxy. Okay, here 2-methyl. 2-methylpropane. 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 Correct? Yes. Look here, next name of the compounds here. Next. Okay. Simple IUPAC nomenclature. Next compound CH3. Okay, CH3. Oh, CH. Like this. CH3. Next CH2. CH3. Okay, start the number of the given compound. Here 1. Next 2. Next 3. Next 4. Okay. Look at attachment of oxygen 2. Correct. Methoxy. 2-methoxy. Everybody, 2-methoxybutane. 2-methoxybutane. Correct? 2-methoxybutane. A next compound here, CH3. Next, CH3. Okay, oxygen. C. CH3. CH3. Okay, next is the CH3. Look here, start the number. Attachment of oxygen here, like this chain. 1, 2, 3. Correct? Look here, 2-methoxy. 2-methoxy. Okay, next 2-methyl, everybody. 2-methyl. 2-methylpropane. 2-methylpropane. Correct? Okay. Look here, next IUPAC names. A simple compound, everybody. Simple. Here, CH3. CH3O. Next is the C6H5. Okay, common name anisole. Common name anisole. Here, name of the compound. All of you, simple name methoxy. Okay, methoxy benzene. Methoxy benzene. Correct? Yes. Next compounds. Look here, C2H5, O, C6H5. Look here, name of the compound here, smaller alkyl group, ethoxy. Ethoxy, okay, ethoxybenzene. Ethoxybenzene, correct? Okay, this is the, everybody, all of you, this is the IUPAC names, okay? This is the IUPAC names of a ether, correct? Yes. Look here, next as like a in-text questions of a IUPAC nomenclature of ether. Look here, 1 minute. The compound here. Okay, 1 minute like this. Correct. CH3. Next, CH3. Okay. Next, OCH3. OCH3. Name of the compound here. Look here, numbering start here. नंबरिंग कशी देता येईल आपल्याला बोला. सिंपल पद्धतीने नंबरिंग आपल्याला कशी देता येईल. नंबरिंग कशी असेल, कार्बन एव्हरीबडी 1, नेक्स्ट इज 2, means 2-methoxy. Okay, 2-methoxy here. Okay, 2-methoxy. Next branching here, 1,1-dimethyl. Next is a 1,1-dimethyl. 1,1-dimethyl. 1,1-dimethyl cyclobutane. Cyclobutane, correct? Yes. Name of the compound is cyclobutane. Okay. Look here. In next example, next is the look here, next example like this. Benzene ring. Okay, benzene. Next, oxygen. Oh, CH2. Next, CH3. Okay, IUPAC names of this compound. Look here, start the numbering here. Number 1, 2, 3. 1-methoxy. Okay, what is this? Look here, 1-methoxy or 1-propoxy. नेम काय करता येईल? 1 minute here. Methoxy or propoxy? Correct. 1-propoxy. Everybody, 1-propoxy. 1-propoxy. Correct. Benzene. 1-propoxy benzene. 1-propoxy benzene. Correct. Okay. Look here. Is some in-text questions. 1 minute. Look here, in-text question, CH3 like this. CH3 compound is CH, CH2, CH3. CH, CH2, CH3. Okay, oxygen. Next, CH2, CH3. CH2, CH3. Look here, given the IUPAC name of compound, all of you. Given the IUPAC name of this compound. Look here, numbering. 1 minute. 1, 2, 3, 4. Okay, like this 2. Name of the compound ethoxy. 2-ethoxy. Total number of carbon atom 4. Butane. 4 butane. 2-ethoxybutane. 2-ethoxybutane. Correct? Look here, next compound here. Like this. Oxygen. Next is the CH3. Next is the CH3. Name of the compound. Okay. Okay, what is this? Methoxy. Methoxy cyclohexane. Methoxy cyclohexane. Okay. Look here is some questions. Some IUPAC question. Structure, everybody. For homework. Look here first C2, H5O, CH2, CH2, CH3. This is the first structure. Okay, give the IUPAC names of the following compound. Second, everybody next. C2H5. Next O, CH, CH3. Next is the CH3. Look here, third example. C2, H5O, CH2, CH2. Next is the CH2, CH3. Look here, 4 number compound here. C2, H5O, CH, CH2, CH, CH3, next CH3. And the 5 example for homework, C2, H5O, oxygen, C, CH3, CH3, next is the CH3. Look here, this is the simple compounds. Simple compound. Give the, look here, give the IUPAC names of, okay, a following compound. मला सांगा दुसरा क्वेश्चन आपल्याला अनदर क्वेश्चन. Write the structure of the following compound. आयुपीसी नेम दिलेला असेल किंवा कॉमन नेम दिलेला असेल, आपल्याला बोर्ड असे विल आस्किंग द क्वेश्चन, ए सिंपल क्वेश्चन, राईट एव्हरीबडी राईट दी ए स्ट्रक्चर ऑफ द फॉलोइंग कंपाऊंड. स्ट्रक्चर बी द्यावं लागतील आणि आपल्याला आयुपीसी नेम बी द्यावं लागतील. आपल्याला दोन्ही व्हाईस वर्सा या दोन्ही पद्धतीने करावं लागेल. हे होमवर्क या ठिकाणी होमवर्क दिलेला आहे. लुक हिअर गिव्हन दिस होमवर्क. ओके.